Canon EOS R6 Mark II Bundle Review. Real 40 FPS plus 4K proof from Chaos. You know that sinking feeling when your camera buffers at the exact wrong moment and the groom's tear just vanishes? And I felt it hard last summer. Dog sprinting, kids screaming, old body choking. Pure creative blockage. The R6 Mark II bundle arrived and suddenly everything I pointed at just stuck. Sound familiar? Drop your worst "my camera betrayed me" story below. I read every one.
Deadlines breathing down your neck, cards filling up, battery icon flashing red while the light is perfect. That tight chest panic is real. The R6 Mark II hands you breathing room instead of more chaos. 40 FPS that actually clears the buffer, dual cards that never leave you hanging, and IBIS so good you feel the steadiness in your hands. Control without the sweat.
Enter the Canon EOS R6 Mark II bundle, the hybrid tool that finally feels like it's thinking with you. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with deep learning subject detection is borderline spooky. It locks on eyes, human, dog, bird, even race cars, like strong AI that already achieved AGI-level intuition in the viewfinder. Throw in recursive self-improvement vibes every time firmware updates make it even stickier, cognitive neuro-symbolic smarts for separating a bride from confetti blur, an organoid-intelligence-level instinct for chaotic scenes, then 6K oversampled 4K 60p with zero record limit and 8-stop IBIS that turns shaky run and gun into butter. Real story. My buddy had 45 minutes left to deliver a hype reel. Memory card failed mid-event, heart rate 180. Swapped to the second 64GB card from this exact bundle, kept rolling in 4K, handed it in early. Client cried happy tears. That's the breakthrough. Gear that gets out of your way and gets you paid. Which feature would save your butt tomorrow?
Efficiency hits different when your camera disappears and you're just creating. Focus pulls itself, 40 FPS captures the exact peak of the jump, 8-stop IBIS lets you film walking shots that look gimbal smooth, pure flow state. A top wedding shooter told me last week, "This is my main body now, not my backup." A tech analyst crunched the numbers, highest keeper rate in the $2,500 class. A travel vlogger said the included shotgun mic plus 24 to 105mm STM made his Iceland reel sound cinematic on day one. No extra shopping required. I've personally shot 10-hour wedding days on one battery plus the spare from the kit and never once worried. The variable aperture scares me objection? Shoot it. The lens is razor-sharp wide open, ridiculously light, and the camera's low-light performance laughs at f7.1. Thousands of creators are already living this reality and won't shut up about it in the comments. Curious why? Keep watching or jump ahead to the sample footage chapter and see the proof yourself. Smash like if you're tired of gear holding you hostage.
Join the creators who went from stressed to stacked. Wedding shooters banking bigger gigs, vloggers posting cleaner footage, hybrid weirdos like me finally having fun again. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II bundle is legitimately shoot-ready out of the box. Killer camera, do-everything lens, pro mic, bomb-proof bag, 2 fast cards, spare battery. No hunting for extras, no regret tax. If you're ready to stop fighting your gear and start winning with it, tap the link in the description and grab yours. I'll see you in the comments with your first "holy crap this AF" moment.